What's up everyone, it's the Don of Wall Street back with another video. If you are new, hit the subscribe button and the bell to stay up to date on the latest content. I'm actually recording over my recording. Hope you guys got that. But my audio did not record when I was trading live, so that's why I'm doing this. I ended up seeing this retest of the 399.71 level. So I was looking to enter puts after this massive move. Maybe I could catch a little bit of it. That's what I was thinking. So I was waiting for us to recapture the 9 for me to get more confirmation that we were going to go down. See right here, you see me enter the trade, and overall it was I would say this was a decent setup, breaking the pre-market low, but we were starting to struggle here and I didn't really notice that. But I'm glad that I did put the stop in early for break even and ended up taking a smaller loss than it could have been because of possible greed that I might have encountered. So as the play got going here, I ended up placing a stop, waiting for at least 20% for me to move it up to where it will be at for 20%. You'll see here that we got a spike up in buyers, and it ended up stopping me out there. So now the trade is starting to look a little questionable. Ended up getting stopped out there and taking a $2 loss. Actually, I thought it was a $1 loss, but I ended up taking a $2 loss. So I ended up seeing that we were holding the 9 EMA. That up pressure was looking pretty false, so I decided to take another trade and put the stop again in for break even. However, if I would have just took small scalps from here in the last play, I would have made probably like 30 bucks, but that's not what I'm really looking for, like small plays. So the last trade, the final trade, I ended up noticing that we weren't going down from my previous 2 trades, so I quickly switched my bias and I decided to go bull, buy a call. I think the thesis for this particular play was great. However, the timing was wrong. We were still under the 9 EMA on the 5 minute. We were above it on the 1 minute, but as you can see in a few seconds, we ended up rejecting that and stopping me out. If I would have waited a little longer to play calls and allow SPY to make its move up and get back over the 399 and retest 399 to continue higher, that would have been the best optimal play there and a really good setup. And if you guys are watching this later today, we ended up doing exactly that. So that's why it's more important to be more patient. You see, I got this contract for $136. These contracts went all the way to $3. Not saying that I would have caught the entire move from that, but based off of me allowing it to run, going to break even, then allowing it to run 20%, then 40%, etc., etc. So I just have to watch these recordings and learn from it. Today what I can learn is my entries weren't the greatest. They could have been a lot better. We did end up getting stopped out from that contract for a $20 loss. With that said, we took about 3 trades and only losing about $25.36, which is not bad for taking 3 trades. So it just takes one good trade to get us back in the game, back in the right direction. So now that counts at $245.91. With all that said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video and retained some value. If you did, feel free to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the bell button to stay up to date with the latest content, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.